Welcome to Stories and Beyond. Friends, all of us dream to become or to do something great in our lives. All of us have great desire to achieve something great. But most often, we end up being ordinary. We remain where we are. Have you ever tried to give a thought to it? Well, let me try to explain it. All of us are familiar with the words survivor and adventurous, right? You know, survivors tell the tale of horrors they faced in the sea of life, while adventurers regale us with the tale of courage and enthusiasm. The greatest achievement of survivor is that they just survived, while adventurers did something remarkable with life. Now let me tell you a story. Once there was a woodcutter, a very honest, hardworking man. Every morning he goes to the woods, cut the firewood, sells them in the market, and earns his livelihood. He has been doing this for the past 30 years and just living an ordinary life. With this meager income, it has now become very difficult for him to manage his daily course of life. Frustrated and disappointed with his life, one day he prays to God, "Oh God, I am tired of this living. I have been working hard all these years but could not achieve anything. I still live in a rented house. My children have grown up and I am unable to give them the good living. Please help me to come out of this drastic situation." He doesn't hear anything from God. Disappointed, he goes to bed. That very night, he gets a dream. In his dream, he sees a treasure, and that treasure is somewhere in the forest, and the same forest that he goes every day. Early morning he rises, readies himself to the forest for cutting woods. He is very excited about the dream, but he is not sure where the place is exactly. As he reaches the usual place, he hears a voice, "Go deeper." He musters some courage and dares to go a little deeper into the forest. He goes a little farther, looks around and sees nothing. And there he hears the voice again, "Go deeper." Now he is scared to go farther because he knows there are wild animals which may attack him. But somehow he overcomes his fear and goes still farther. And still he finds nothing. He is disappointed. He starts doubting his dream. His hopes starts diminishing. And there he hears the voice again, "Go deeper." He has no idea what to do. Should he trust his voice? Should he trust his dream? What should he do? After all the confusion, he says to himself, "All these years, I have just lived an ordinary life, and this time, I do not want to lose my opportunity." Keeping away all his fears and anxiety, he decides to go deeper. He goes a little farther, and to his surprise, he sees what he was longing for, the treasure. Friends, the mantra for life: go deeper. Challenge yourself. Dare to change your ordinary to extraordinary. This is what that makes the difference between a survivor and adventurous. Survivors simply cry. Adventurers dare to trust their voice and their dreams, and they embrace the unknown. Go, conquer your dreams, and remember the mantra: go deeper.